This morning, the Board of Works opened bids for fire equipment apparatus. We received bids from two firms, one of which was the Howe equipment firm of Anderson and the other the Midwest Fire Equipment Company of Indianapolis. The Howe firm made a basic bid of $33,700 approximately, and the Midwest firm bid two alternative bids, one of approximately $34,000 and one of $38,000. We have taken the bids under advisement. We'll tabulate them because there are other optional matters which we want to consider, which may change the net cost to the city of Muncie. And we're going to attempt to do that as expeditiously as possible because we hope to encumber those funds this year. We intend to encumber those funds this year, and we intend to have one piece of fire apparatus contracted for before the end of this year. Secondly, it was suggested to us that the leave policy and the sick leave policy regarding city employees for whom presently there is no sick leave policy be examined and a uniform policy established for the employees of the city other than those on our uniform departments.
We have been conducting through the traffic director a traffic count and examination for the possible warranting of a flasher signal at the intersection of East Washington Street and Ohio Avenue. This is warranted, and the board took action this morning to establish this in this location with the provision that some parking be restricted on the south side of Washington Street, both east and west of Ohio Avenue. We have the equipment to make this installation without additional purchases.